Namaste everyone, welcome to Chef Nico's kitchen. In this video, I will show you step by step how to prepare and serve the perfect eggplant tikka masala with steamed basmati rice and garlic naan bread. But, before we start, hit the like button, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, so that you won't miss any new upcoming video recipes. For the ingredients and instructions of this recipe, see the section below under more. Start this recipe by wash, peel into stripes, and cut into big cubes the eggplant. Mix the eggplant cubes, yogurt, gram flour, grated ginger, minced garlic, red chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, fresh lemon juice, oil, and a pinch of salt together. Mix everything together so that the eggplant is coated nicely. Cover with film and let it marinate in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius after 15 minutes. Meanwhile, peel and finely chop the onion, dice into small pieces the tomatoes and set all aside. Prepare a baking tray with parchment paper and then arrange eggplants evenly on it. Mostly baked goods does not stick to the eggplant. Still, if you are not sure, brush it with little oil or spray it. Alternatively, you can pan fry the eggplant in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Or, you can cook it in an air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Bake eggplant cubes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes or till they look a little crisp. While the eggplant is baking, let's make the tikka masala gravy. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Once it's hot, add cardamom and cinnamon, stir it once, and add the chopped onions. Saute it on low, medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes, then, add the garlic and the fresh chopped tomatoes, and continue to cook for 2 to 3 minutes longer until onions and tomatoes are lightly brown in color. After 5 to 6 minutes the onion and tomatoes will look soft and transparent. Add turmeric, coriander, red chilli, ginger, cumin, garam masala powders, and then saute it nicely for 2 minutes on low-medium heat. Add half tablespoon of butter, optional, and the tomato puree along with a 1/4 cup of water to it. Stir it nicely and let it cook for 6 to 8 minutes on slow heat. The masala spices will release their oil once it's done. If you like your tikka masala gravy a bit chunky, turn off the heat and set aside until the eggplant is ready. Optional, if you like your tikka masala gravy smooth, you can blend it. Using an immersion blender or a regular standard blender can help create a smoother, more creamy texture. Once the baked eggplants is ready, add it in the gravy and mix it properly without breaking. Add cream or coconut milk at this time and mix it nicely. Taste and adjust the flavor of the gravy. If it needs salt, add just a little pinch. Consistency of gravy should not be runny, it should be thick. Still, if you need to thin it a little, add just a tablespoon of water to it. Partial cover, and let it cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Once ready, add the kasuri methi fenugreek leaves if available, and cook for 1 minute, or sprinkle with fresh chopped coriander leaves and serve with steamed basmati rice and garlic naan bread. If this video was to your liking, give it a like, thumb up, and subscribe to this channel for all upcoming recipes. Thank you for watching.